Another cool feature that this visual offers is the ability to share your plan. When you first import the data, either through create from actuals or through imported data, that plan is visible only to you. And then you can play with the plan, you can adjust the figures, you can change the plan, and once you are satisfied with it, you can decide to share that plan with either the whole organization or a certain people from within the organization that will help you further adjust the plan or that will consume the results of it. So we will use this option, Teams option. After we click on it, first we can see that we can share the plan either with everyone or as its default state, it is private. So let's say that we want to first share it with a group of people, not everyone, but just a group of people. So we will choose this option, create new team. And then we have to name that team. Let's call it new team 2. And then we have to include the people that we want to give access to that team. After we click on save, that team is created for us and we can go back. And now on the drop down, we can select that new team and decide to share the current plan called New Plan 2021 with that team and all the people that are inside of the team. So when we click on confirm, now the plan is shared with the colleagues. What we can also do with this teams option is that we can define user roles upon that plan. So if we choose manage roles, we can see all the people that are inside of the team and we can change the role for each member. Admin has all the rights, meaning they can delete the plan, they can add roles to the plan, everything. Edit can edit figures, and the view option, they can only consume the result of that plan. They cannot change or alter it. They have it, if we are with the view right, we will have all these options disabled and we could only see the result of the plan. Like I said, this is a cool feature to specifically share the plan with the people that need to have the access, and that share feature is also available within the Writeback Planner for Power BI Custom Visual.